Hi, I'm Heather from Heather Handmade, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a throw pillow with an invisible zipper insertion. So you can see here is the invisible zipper. It is invisible, you can't really see it, but that is how you put the pillow form in and out of the pillow cover. This is great for practicing invisible zippers, and the way I teach you to do it is putting in an invisible zipper without an invisible zipper foot. So any beginner sewer with a simple sewing machine can make this pillow cover with the invisible zipper. This beginner sewing project is so fun because you can use any fabric. You can put something on the fabric before you sew it all up. You can make one for every holiday, since they're so simple to make, and once you take out the pillow form, they fold up really small and they can be stored for until the next year. So let's get started. So for this project, you are going to need some either quilting cotton that is interfaced, or you can also use more like a home decor weight, like a canvas weight fabric. Mostly you want to find fabric that matches your decor, so it looks nice with where the pillow is going to be. Then you are going to need an 18-inch invisible zipper. You want to have one that matches your fabric. Mine is a slightly different color because I think it will help you see what I'm doing while I'm doing the tutorial. But it's close enough that I can still use the pillow after I'm done. Lastly, you will need a pillow form that is 18 inches by 18 inches. So the first thing we're going to do is cut 2 squares from your fabric that are 20 inches wide by 20 inches tall. Now we're going to prepare the zipper, the invisible zipper, to put in the side of the pillow. So open your zipper, then you're going to flip it over so the right side is facing down. And do you see how the zipper tape is curling this way up towards the back? That's how invisible zippers work. So what we're going to do is we are going to iron the zipper tape rolled forward. So we're going to open this fold, this roll, and then we're going to iron it flat. And you're going to do both sides, and you're going to go down as far as you can. You won't be able to go all the way to the zipper pull, but go as far as you can. Now your zipper is going to look a little bit kind of wavy. It's not going to line up straight, but don't worry, when we're done sewing, it will curl back the way it's supposed to, and it will be straight. Now we're going to get ready to put the zipper in, but I like to lay everything out so I can see where it's going to go. So I have one side of the pillow here and one side of the pillow here. They are facing up, and then I have my zipper in the middle, and it is also facing up. So we are going to do the left side of the zipper first onto this left pillow. What you're going to do is, so this zipper tape is going to be sewn to this, so you're going to do right sides together. So you flip it over, and the zipper is going to be here like this. So we're going to pin it on. So you can see that the zipper is slightly smaller than the 20 inches. So you can choose to have the zipper come up at the top, and then you have more of a gap here. You can have it match up at the bottom and have more of a gap here. So I'm actually going to line up the zipper tape here at the top because we're going to have to sew below the zipper here, so it's easier to have more space down here. So I'm going to pin this on to this side. Now I'm going to sew this zipper tape onto the one side of the pillow, and you're not going to sew on the zipper teeth, but you want to sew really close. There's kind of 3 sections of the zipper tape. There's one side going up and the other side going down, and then there's a tiny woven section right next to the zipper, and your goal is to sew in that tiny section close to the zipper teeth but never going over the zipper teeth. So this side has been sewn on, and now we are going to do the same as the other side, but it's always a little confusing because you can twist it the wrong way and then make a problem with your zipper being twisted. So this is the right side facing the right side of this side of the pillow. When it's done, it's going to be rolled out this way. So this is the right side of the zipper and this is the right side of the pillow. So then you're going to flip it over the top this way. So it feels all weird and twisted down here, but once it's zipped up, it will be correct. So now I'm going to pin this side to this right side of the pillow. So this side has now been sewn on, and now we pull up the zipper pull to check if you sewed over the zipper teeth. So it's looking really good. You can barely see the zipper when you pull it like this. So now we are going to finish making the pillow. So the first thing we need to do is finish this seam below the zipper. So you see how this is a gap here. So what you're going to do is you are going to place your corners together so everything matches, you know, for your pillow piece. Then you're going to pull the bottom of the zipper out of the way, match up this corner. You are going to put in a zipper foot, a regular zipper foot, and you're going to start just above where your stitches ended and then finish the seam down below. You cannot get to this place, so there is going to be a tiny gap, but this is common with any invisible zipper and there's nothing you can do about it. You just have to have that little gap and then sew the seam below. So you can see here is this stitching. I use a different color so you can see that, and it's just about 1/8 of an inch away from the bottom of the zipper. So now when you open up the zipper, you can see that this part of the pillow is finished right here. So we are almost done. You can zip up your zipper part way, but you're going to need a hole to turn the pillow right side out, so you don't want to come all the way to the top. So we're going to place these pillow pieces right sides together, match up these corners, and pin them together. So this side is already completely done, but we're going to sew the other side. So you're going to sew like this, and you're just going to go straight across the top and the bottom of the zipper. So with a 1/2 inch seam allowance and pivot at the corners. Now I'm going to take some scissors and we're just going to trim the corners, and this helps reduce the bulk when you turn it right side out. You don't want to have you want to have nice crisp corners. Now we get to turn the pillow right side out. So there's the open zipper. Put your hand in and grab the farthest corner and pull it through. Then you're going to poke your hand in and poke out each corner. You can zip up your zipper to check if you like how the invisible zipper edge is. And now it's ready to be stuffed with a pillow form. And that's how you make a pillow with an invisible zipper, and you can't really see the invisible zipper when it's done. Please let me know if you have any questions so I can help you make your own pillow cover. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day.